What up, what up? Welcome back to the channel. Wealth frequency. Talking about internet computer protocol. Why? Because innovation always matters. If you go to JackBear.AI, I just open up all the courses, 50 courses for Web3 Academy, moving to a gamified portion of the website built with caffeine.ai. And so I'm putting all the courses onto YouTube so you can follow along. If you don't have time to go through the courses manually on your computer, it's also mobile ready, so that's good. And basically, this is course number 2. You can go look for course number 1, which is identity and data sovereignty. So course number 2 is blockchain foundations. Blockchain isn't magic, we know that. It's 1,000 years of human research and development that's been put into the internet computer protocol. It's math, incentives, and truth without permission. Why blockchain exists? This is the real reason. Forget the hype, the speculative mania, the moon boy nonsense. The real reason blockchain exists is because humans do not trust each other. And why should we? The banks lie, the corporations lie, the politicians lie, the platforms lie. Blockchain was created so truth could exist even when people disagree. A shared source of reality secured by math, not by institutions with agendas. So the core idea, the truth system, not the middleman. Every major digital system today depends on a middleman. Banks approve your payments, platforms verify your identity, cloud servers store your information, corporations control your accounts. Blockchain flips the script completely. Instead of trusting a middleman, you trust cryptography, consensus, open validation. The blockchain triforce is cryptography, consensus, and incentives. The entire blockchain world is built on 3 unstoppable forces. Cryptography protects identity and data. Consensus gets strangers to agree on the truth. And 3, incentives rewards honesty and punishes manipulation. This is why blockchain networks are so hard to hack, manipulate, or shut down. You'd have to convince thousands of independent participants to rewrite history. Good luck. What blockchains actually do: blockchains create immutable records, permissionless access, transparent history, decentralized ownership, trustless interactions. Once something is verified and written on chain, it becomes part of a permanent tamper-proof global ledger. No administration, no undo button, no secret edit logs, just truth, stamped in public cryptographic stone. Why this matters and why it matters more than you think. Got it all written down here. Trying to make it fun and light. Hope you're enjoying it. In a world drowning in misinformation, manipulated media, and centralized control, blockchain is the first tool humanity has invented that can guarantee verifiable truth at scale. And that makes it a foundational technology, revolutionary, not just for money, but for identity, voting, AI, governance, global coordination, and the decentralized cloud. I don't know if you guys saw Elon Musk interview recently said that in 20 years, working will be optional, because the capitalist industrial society is collapsing slowly but surely. Now, ICP versus traditional blockchains, what's the difference? Most blockchains only store tiny bits of data. They cannot run full applications. Internet Computer Protocol is the first blockchain to operate as a decentralized cloud, not just a ledger. Bitcoin equals money, Ethereum equals smart contracts, ICP equals compute, storage, identity, hosting, apps. It's not just a blockchain, it's the next evolution in the internet. You heard that right, the next evolution in the internet. So, real example, the no admin keys revolution. On traditional platforms, an admin can delete your account, freeze your funds, or ban you. Wake up, Bitcoin holders. On blockchain-based systems, no admin keys, no backdoors, no corporate review teams, no secret policies, no central authority, If you own it on chain, you actually own it. And here's the framework, the 5 pillars of blockchain. Immutability. History cannot be rewritten. Decentralization. No single point of control. 3, transparency. Verifiable open records. 4, security, protected by cryptography. 5, permissionless, no gatekeepers, no approvals required. So let's think about this for a minute. What would the world look like if a system ran on blockchain level transparency? Which systems in your life depend on blind trust? What would you change if your financial identity couldn't be frozen or altered? Which gatekeepers do you rely on without realizing it? And does this idea of no admin keys excite you or scare you, and why? So, here's the 5 key takeaways from out here like a nomad in the rain. The 5 key takeaways. Is blockchain is trust engineered into code. Its consensus replaces the middleman, incentives replace enforcement, transparent replaces secrecy, and ICP expands on blockchain beyond ledgers into full cloud computation. ICP is not an altcoin. It's a computation token. It's a global Internet 2.0 tool, utility. This is what you're investing in. This is what's scaling globally right now. This is what people are using for data sovereignty, decentralized cloud, intellectual property protection, without having to rely on lawyers, without having to rely on gatekeepers. So it's clear that maybe someone doesn't understand smart contracts. They don't understand how the internet works. They don't understand how intellectual property can be protected. But for a lot of creators, a lot of innovators and engineers, designers, which is pretty normal in society as a human being, there are different categories of person, and a lot of us are builders. So if you go to caffeine.ai, you can whip up your own website, your application, game, whatever you want, just with a basic prompt, and it will pop out that website in under 5 minutes. Now, what that does is basically weeks and months of developing code by hand is now no longer needed. So what can be designed and created with caffeine.ai, which would take some teams months to build, is now reducing the time for innovation and reducing time that the revolution of Internet 2.0 and ICP and data sovereignty and encrypted canisters for smart contracts that cannot be hacked and it cannot be shut down because of nodes all over the world working together to keep everything online. You know, I mean, aside from like EMP and that kind of stuff, but you can still access the canisters because it's distributed around the world globally, encrypted with multi-keys, so it's constantly changing the encryption. It has zero downtime, and it's been hacked 0 times. Bitcoin has been hacked many times when Bitcoin gets transferred over bridges and oracles, when Bitcoin's moving. The protocols that are built by backdoors and thieves and cybercrime use bridges to transfer Bitcoin from one wallet to the next, and there has been Bitcoin theft. And we've seen it through different types of apps, where different types of apps, application systems, through Ethereum, through Solana, through all these different blockchains, where people think that near instant finality is the number one prize. And everybody's hyping these code vibe applications and platforms based on speed, on how quick you can produce something. But the world and security and safety is number one. is your information and data safe and secure? That's why blockchains were designed and built. But nobody has followed through and built full stack blockchain from the ground up to run completely front end, back end as the internet, like the internet, just like HTTP, Internet Computer Protocol, is here to stay, and we're scaling globally. That's our lesson for today. Thanks for all the subs, giving away 10 ICP and 1,000 subs. You guys are awesome. You guys are killing it. Thanks for following me along in this journey. Lots of great content coming up. I got 48 other courses that I'm gonna upload online. 1 video a day, sometimes 2, sometimes 3. I just get too pumped up about this, and you guys have been so awesome. And I'm also scheduling one-to-one meetings and interviews, and yeah, you can check that out. You can let me know, drop a DM. Love the chat, guys. Appreciate you. All right, until next one, stay groovy.